Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today is August the 8th, 2020. This is going to be our Chainlink price forecast prediction into the market. It's been a very long time since we did our last video for Chainlink. Matter of fact, it was all the way on June 28th when we did our last video for Chainlink, and you guys can see the result of what has occurred in the market for Chainlink. So we just wanted to come in, show each and every one of you whether or not this continuation of strength will continue to happen into the market for Chainlink. But before I do, make sure you guys continue to support the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and then joining us on our website at HueFinancial.com in order to see more of our cryptocurrency price forecasts in the market. Now, let's clean this chart up. Last time we did our video in Chainlink, like I stated earlier, was on June 28th, 2020. And you guys can tell that the market in Chainlink has continually shown us that the demand and value of this cryptocurrency continues to increase ever since the 28th of June, and the market continues to see that market move higher in price. So we need to adjust what we've been eyeing into the market for Chainlink. Okay, so we're going to get rid of some of these lines here on our chart because it doesn't do anything for us when the market is not trading at that particular location. So we just need to get rid of it. And we're going to take this one particular line here and we're going to create what the market has been doing for Chainlink. And you guys can see here that even in this particular situation, if I was to draw the line here, that Chainlink is definitely in a more dramatic uptrend than what this ascending line is utilizing. So the market is definitely showing us massive amount of strength in this cryptocurrency, and we need to make a determination as to whether or not it can actually continue in this space. When you look at Chainlink on a weekly perspective, I mean the momentum of this value is astronomical. It's off the chart when you look at how the other cryptocurrencies have been trading over the last couple of weeks. The demand in this cryptocurrency, I cannot re-emphasize enough that it is massive. So I wanted to show you also here on the monthly time frame that the month of August is going off with a massive hitch. You know, the fireworks, the interest in Chainlink is definitely being seen on the price chart. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to reorganize the line that I've just moved to kind of give you all a gist of how this market really is trending. Okay. So obviously, if anyone is telling you that the market in Chainlink is weak, doesn't know how to read charts. The strength in the market for Chainlink is definitely here. Now, trying to time this is going to be crucial because we have never seen the market in Chainlink trade in this vicinity ever since it launched on the Binance exchange. So you have to be a little bit more vigilant into the market for Chainlink in order to make a entry position on this particular cryptocurrency. The demand is definitely here. You guys can see here on the daily time frame that the spread over the last couple of days, the volatility over the last couple of trading days, the volume is not astronomical, but it's decent. It's on average. Lets us know that the market is getting comfortable with trading around the $10 to $12 area. It is comfortable. It is not gyrating in the sense that many people are being hysterical to try to jump out or even try to jump into the market for Chainlink. That's how you're able to understand that the market is getting comfortable at the price levels that we're trading at right now. So now when you break it down on a hourly time frame, you guys can still see here that we just finally saw a pretty good push on this current 4-hour price bar in Chainlink. The volume is a lot heavier. We haven't seen this much volume since this particular 4-hour chart price bar here. And now we're closing off the highs. Looking at it on the 1-hour chart, you guys can see it just started. So obviously this is not the opportunity to try to see if this is a buy moment for Chainlink. We want to wait until we make a determination as to whether trap is going to try to find support. Okay, this volume closing off the highs definitely lets us know that there is some profit taking going on for this currency. So I'm not going to come in and give you all an expectation or forecast into the market for Chainlink. I just want you all to know that we are tracking Chainlink. We are still looking at it, and basically we need to sit the sideline and wait to make that determination as to whether or not the trap is going to continue to increase the value of Chainlink. So with that being mentioned, we need to see a support area to be utilized on this next leg down. Okay, the next leg down is where we need to adjust and see what would be a good entry point for the market. So we have a couple of areas. The first area, you guys can see it was on the 1 hour chart right there at $11. Okay, so we're going to have support at around $11 to around $10.50 in the market for Chainlink. Those two areas will have to be a crucial role as to whether or not the market's going to continue to move higher in price. Okay, so I'm not going to give you all an update as to a forecast of the market in Chainlink moving higher. Just wanted to show you all that we're waiting to see how low the market's going to go on the next leg down. This is one of the things that, you know, becoming a trader or even reading price charts is that you got to be patient. You got to watch the market and see where it's going to be the next entry level position into the market in Chainlink, and it is not right now. We need to wait. So we sit the sideline until we make a determination as to how low the market's going to go in Chainlink. So yes, the market is showing us a lot of euphoria, and you will see people jumping into the market in Chainlink just because they see the market moving higher. But to become an average or to become a very proficient understander of reading price charts, you understand not to rush in with everyone else. You wait. So you let the market trap continue to do its business. Now you might be under the perception that, man, I'm missing out on a good move. I need to jump in. I need to hurry up and get into the market because I want to participate with everyone else who came into the market in Chainlink on, you know, July 27th, the ending of July. And now people are going to try to rush in. And that is, well, that's going to be the individual that the trap is going to be selling his load off to. The ones who see this market move higher in price, he's going to give it to you. And then that's when you're going to see the market in Chainlink go lower. So I'm just literally here to show you that I'm looking at $11, $10.50 as areas of support on this next leg down. Okay, that's it. This is how you're able to determine how to read price charts and overall sentiment in the market for these cryptocurrencies. So we're not going to give you all the forecast of the market movement higher in Chainlink, not yet, but yet and still the general feel of the market in Chainlink is one of strength. I will give you that. The market in Chainlink is definitely giving us a lot of strength in this space, but we have a large area that the market in Chainlink can still come all the way down to and will still be in the uptrend right here. So keep your eyes open on that. So we'll come back in at a later date, do another update video in Chainlink and see whether or not that market did hold $11 to around $10.50 for support. Because if we hold those two areas, either or one of these price levels, the strength is definitely still monumental if the market comes down on this next leg and hold $11. So we gotta wait. That's all. You guys got questions and comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I'll talk to y'all on the next one.